All colors in my lip products are unique from one another. I do not have any even similar shades. So yeah, I am going to use this very frequently. Well, not every time because I have other milder shades as well. I like this. I really like this. I'll be using it for night outs and all. Ooh, I really like this. I thought this won't suit me. I thought this won't suit me, but it really looks promising. I actually do not have any red color, believe me. Every girl has, but I do not have. I was waiting for the right color. Maybe this is the one. Who knows? I'm really happy with the color. Oh my god. And I have not applied anything on my face except my moisturizer and powder to mattify the face. Otherwise it was looking like a greasy chicken. Okay, the next thing, very fancy looking thing is this. It's so cute. Okay, this is a Mars eyeliner liquid waterproof one. I don't know the quantity, I don't know anything about it. What is this? Can you hear? What the hell is this? Oh my god, it's in this. What the hell is this? I don't know, is this a defective product? I don't know. Let's see. And there's no brush over here, okay? I don't know what the product at the end is. I don't know. I really like the lipstick. This is the eyeliner. I'm not very good at eyeliners as 90% of the population, but I actually don't use it that much. I just use colored eyeliners and not black ones because with black you have to be much more precise. So I don't use black. I just use some color and just smudge it a little bit, and that's it. Oh, I really like it. Really looks good on my skin. I'm talking about the lipstick. Okay, this thing is okay. It's really helpful to use this kind of a tip. I don't know what this is. Maybe it's a sponge or I don't know what it is, but it's really helpful. And the best thing, actually, I'm not that much into eyeliners, but the best thing is about the packaging. It's so bright orange and black. I just like the packaging, and I also like the idea that there's no product mention or anything. It's just the name of the product and that's it. I don't have any stickers, any quantity of the product, anything. I just don't know. It looks very my kind of a thing. So, and the last thing is it the last thing? Let me check. Oh yeah, it is the last thing. You know, these bags. Okay, so the last thing is this. Each for 20 rupees, you know. I checked the prices, so yeah. I can use this as a blush also. Just here, not here. Here it won't look good. Here. Okay, so these are compressed sheet masks. So what you have to do, we all know about these. We have to put this in some water or serum, and this will soak all of it, and it will expand and become like, you know, sheet mask. And it has faces and all, you know, already cut out, like eyes and nose and lip section already cut out. So yeah, I'm really excited about these, and I tried to search like get them online on other websites, but I could not get them. So I'll be trying this with my not rose water. I'm not going to waste this in that. I'll be trying this when I apply sheet masks from, I use Body Shop's Face Shop. What is that? Face Shop sheet masks. So whatever serum is left, because most of the serum is drenching out and it is already in the pack only, and the sheet doesn't soak it. So I'll soak one of this in that, and then I'll give this to my mother, or maybe that pack to my mother, and I'll use this. So one pack of Face Shop will serve 2 people. So yeah, let's see what happens. And this month grab box, yeah, it looks promising, but I'll buy that towards the end, or maybe next month, or I don't know, because for now I have enough products, and I got these for both the boxes, both the grab boxes, for 498 rupees. And if I would have bought them on their month, I would have paid more. So yeah, I'm happy with the whatever I have got. I'm really happy with this lipstick, and I'm really happy with the lip balm. And what else is there? I'm happy with this. I'm happy with this. I'm happy with actually almost everything. Yeah, I'm happy with this. Yeah, and these are not these are plastic bottles. These are not what we say, glass bottles. Okay, so that's it for today. I'll be bringing one video each month, and if you enjoy my videos, just let me know. If you want to see some specific video, just let me know what kind of a video you want to watch and everything. You can personally message me on YouTube or on Twitter. Yeah, or on Instagram as well. I'm on Instagram. I'll add my Instagram account link in the description box. You can check that out. Okay, thank you. Enjoy your day.